Sculpture is made to be experienced in 3 dimensions, through volume, form, gesture, and proportion. But for blind and visually impaired visitors, gallery sculpture collections often remain out of reach because the original artworks cannot be touched. For Art Gallery Ilia Beshkov in Pleven, Bulgaria, Tornado Studios created 23 scaled tactile replicas of selected sculptures from the gallery collection. We 3D scanned the original works, refined the digital models, adapted each sculpture to the right scale, then 3D printed, assembled, hand-painted, and finished the replicas for gallery use. The result is an inclusive fine art experience that allows visitors to explore sculpture through touch, making important artworks physically accessible while keeping the originals protected.